Hey everybody, welcome back to Two Sean's One Car Garage, and this is how to change the oil and filter on a 7.3 turbo diesel Power Stroke.
What you're going to need is a fuel filter, FL 1995, 3 gallons of 15W40 Rotella, a strap wrench or access to grab it, some paper towels, can't forget your catcher pan, and a funnel.
Now that you got your parts, next thing you're going to do, and the most important thing, is you want to drive your vehicle and get your oil hot. Vehicle's parked, oil is hot, pop the hood. Barely push the hood down, find the lever, pull it to your left. Here's your oil cap, here's your oil dipstick. What you want to do is you want to check your level and quality of oil before you drain it.
Now let's check the oil level and quality.
On your dipstick, you have your level. You have add. When it's in this range, you need to add more. This is a quart, what's in this rib section, and full. You have your full line right there. So if it's anywhere in this section, you can always add. If you get below, especially, you want to add and make sure it's back into this rib section. So pull your dipstick out, clean it off. Pull it out and you can check the level. See, it's low, the oil level starts right here. You would see it all the way up here if it was where it's at. It's low, it needs to be either add or change. Right now we're doing a change.
Now that you've done the oil level and quality check, take the cap off before you drain. I like to clean it off. Take the funnel, set it in place. Slide your pan in.
Here's your oil pan, here's your oil filter. We gotta pull the plug. 3/4 drive. You can use a wrench. Trick is to hold your hand out to the side away from it and try to pull the bolt directly towards your hand. Like that. When you pull the cap off the top, it drains out faster. That's why you pull the cap off the top. While you're draining the oil, what you want to do is go and clean the bolt off and check. If it was oily before you took it off, that means this washer's leaking. You need to replace this washer right here. You can swap it over to copper, or you can get an exact replacement for it. This washer is a crush washer that actually has a rubber gasket on the inside. Sometimes you can take them off by hand. So just be clear. You can see through it. You want to wipe all the surfaces clean. Put your bolt back on. Your 3/4 and tighten it good and tight. Not too much because you don't want to strip the pan. Take your finger, get a little bit of oil, and you want to oil the gasket or O-ring on your filter.
Okay.
Go backwards until you hear it click. Clean the filter, clean your hand.
Now that you put your drain plug in and your oil filter on, you gotta add oil. It takes 15 quarts or 3.75 gallons.
Ice cream in?
Yep. Grab your dipstick, check your level.
Whenever you pull it out after filling up, you got to clean it and put it back in because you get false readings and it shows that it's full at the full line. We'll add the cap, we'll put it back in, put the cap on, call it a day.
Clean your cap off, check your O-ring here. If your O-ring's bad, you can get another one and put another one in. You'll hear it click. Close your hood, run it, get it warm, go back underneath and check for leak. Make sure you recycle your filter and properly dispose of your oil. And that's how you change a 7.3 Power Stroke oil and filter. Thank you for watching. If you like it, like and subscribe.